Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete a contact on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to tap on the phone application or the contacts app. So in here, if we tap on the phone application, we can tap on contacts at the bottom here in the navigation bar. And then in contacts, you want to go down and select a contact that you would like to delete. So in here, I'm going to put in the keyword test, and I will open up this contact. Then tap on the edit button at the top. And now you want to go down and tap on delete contact. Next, tap on delete contact again. And then that contact will be removed from your contacts app. And that's it. So that is the simple way how you can delete a contact from your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.